guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro production have already started, but Huawei P50 Pro Plus may be postponed. Currently Huawei is faced with a shortage of components for assembly, including for the yet to be announced flagship smartphone Huawei P50, P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus. However, the Chinese tech giant has yet to surrender under the pressure of sanctions and other factors and continues to overcome difficulties. A fresh message from a Chinese informant allows us to hope for an early announcement to the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro. According to the source, Huawei has already started mass production of the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro models, but the oldest model in the lineup, Huawei P50 Pro Plus, may be delayed even more due to the same shortage of components. Note that the official debut of Huawei P50 has been postponed several times and is now expected only in a month and a half on June 17. A new message about the start of mass production of the Huawei P50 and P50 Pro fits well into this scenario. After the start of production, Huawei can bring new items to the market within a month or two. On the other hand, Huawei P50 showed up in all its glory thanks to the manufacturer of cases. The official debut is expected only in a month and a half, June 17. Hotly anticipated by Huawei fans, the P50 series of flagship is preparing for release, and information on the network continues to collect. This time, the images of the base model Huawei P50 were shared by the thematic resource Gizmo China, which received them from the Chinese manufacturer of covers. The images once again confirmed that the Huawei P50 is fundamentally different from its predecessor in design. The new images mostly match the renders based on blueprints created back in March by Steve Hemstaffer, also known as Only. The main highlight will be the unusual layout of the main camera. Three sensors along with a laser focusing model are housed inside the upper circular block, and the principal zoom lens is located inside the lower circular block. The front camera is embedded in the top center of the screen. Interestingly, in the new images, the screen has curved edges, whereas Hemstaffer reported the use of a flat display in the base model Huawei P50. The official debut of Huawei P50 has been postponed several times and is now expected only in a month and a half on June 17.